Hey, hanging out with Capt Jack, Afishionado Charters, getting rigged up.
Shit you gotta know.
Capt Jack showing us how to make an offshore ballyhoo rig. Take your leader and go through the head of your sea witch. In this case, Jack's using 90-pound fluoro. Go through one side of your crimp, through the eye of the hook, through your chin weight, in this instance a ½ ounce, and back through your crimp. Next step is to insert your rigging wire on the top of your crimp side, crimp everything into place, bend your rigging wire, and snip that to 90 degrees at ½ inch to 1 inch long. Trim up everything nice and neat, take a rubber band, put a girth hitch around your spur or your rigging wire, and you're done. And that's it, y'all. Offshore ballyhoo rig. Shit you gotta know. Hey, a shout out for Capt Jack for doing this one for me. You can find him at Oregon Inlet Fishing Center, Afishionado Charters, and on the IG at Jack's Fishing Insta.